This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about condiment displays, specifically this Eco Display iron and bamboo condiment rack. We have the large rack here. It's also available in a small and medium size as well. These three-tiered displays make it easy to load up lots of treats, fruit, or supplies for a well-stocked and easy-to-access display. The rack boxes come in 4 sizes and are sold separately. They're available in small, medium, large, and extra large. The smalls have 1 depth option, and the medium, large, and extra large have a standard depth, which you can see here. It's 2 inches size available, and also a deep option. So if you need to load up more goodies, those deep boxes that are available on the medium, large, and extra large are a really great option. When you're purchasing these racks, you do want to check the listing to make sure that if you're getting the boxes to go with it, you're buying ones that are compatible with your size. The depth and size options on these, especially when in combination with the large racks, where you can mix and match a bed, will allow you to easily reconfigure your setup when desired to really suit your changing needs. And the bamboo boxes are durable and will really stand up to heavy use. The iron frame is not only stylish, but strong, and it's got this nice angle to it, so you get a pleasing presentation that allows you visibility and also access for both your employees and your customers. It's going to be easy to restock and easy for people to grab items out of it. The boxes are sold separately, but they add that nice bit of warmth and natural touch to your displays, so they're really nice. The rack themselves have a nice little wire grate on them, so especially if you're displaying things like large pastries, you could line these even with just bakery tissue and put items out directly on them. So these are perfect for coffee shops, bakeries, the countertop displays at a convenience store, for using on buffets for the displays of things like pastries, fruits, condiments, and utensils, and they're going to work well for a variety of food establishments to display various items.